Hello everyone, it's Sandy here with you today with an unboxing for the February limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. I think you'll be really excited to see today's unboxing. This is a beautiful collection of papers from a 49 and Market with 3 packages of florals from Prima and lots of other goodies to help us embellish our page. So let's just go ahead and start with the florals since they're right here on top. First up, we've got this beautiful combination of peach and purple and teal. It's really lovely. These were originally from the plant department collection, if you recall that one. And here's another pretty one with a combination of a sage green, a white, and a large pink flower. Some little buds tucked in, and then some wire stems as well. And lastly, we have a pastel collection with a light blue, pink, and a creamy white with some matching rosebuds and some curled wire pieces and some leaves. So very nice, plenty of florals for our pretty papers. Next up, we have the ephemera bit pack from 49 and Market that matches the birdsong collection. There's 120 die-cut shapes. We have lots of titles and tickets. And here's an up-close picture of the back. You can see we have cardstock pieces, we have frames, tickets, looks like little birds, and then, you know, bird cages on the side, birds on a wire up here. But anyway, lots of embellishments to tuck in your page and to bring interest. So really love those. Next up, we have some chipboard. We haven't had chipboard in a bit. And these are from Prima, and there's some floral clusters and then a single floral, and along with a little bit that looks kind of like lace, a title called Beauty, and then a little heart-shaped figure over here, so in here, so you can kind of, you know, carry out the Valentine theme if you want to. So those will be fun to embellish, you know, or you can, some people like to use them raw or naked, as I call them, but I'll probably use some embossing powder or just some stain. All right, I went ahead and opened up the 49 and Market birdsong laser cuts, which are included in the kit. There's 80 elements, and I wanted you to see these. We have birds and florals, the bird nest and the birds. Those are really pretty, along with the leaves. And then over here we've got more florals. So pretty. Love this palette. And then lots of taller, more slender florals, which match a lot of the flowers on the papers. Those are really pretty. Next we have a stencil. This one is from Simple Stories, and it's called Floral Vines. And these kind of go down, you know, in a column, but you can use them however you like whenever you're using your chalk ink or your, you know, modeling paste, whatever you used with your stencils. And then our cut file for the month is this pretty floral swag with leaves on the sides, and so that'll be fun to back and, you know, use with our papers. All right, so let's get to the papers and have a look at these. This one is called journal cards because that's kind of what they are. And so we've got a mix here from the color palette, and you can just see we've got everything from a coral to kind of a chartreuse, navy, turquoise. Really pretty. And then on the back, you've just got a navy and cream pattern. That's very neutral if you want to go that direction. This page is called Midnight Concerto, and it's a navy blue. And then along the bottom, we've kind of got this rainbow of colors of florals and then butterflies tucked in, flying around. So really pretty. And then on the back, there's more butterflies. So if you're one who likes to fussy cut, this is a great page to do that and have all those butterflies to embellish your page. This one's really pretty. It's a turquoise teal with birds along the side. And then the trees or branches that they're sitting on. Great for, you know, couple photos, family photos, just whatever you would like. On the back, we've got this pattern that goes diagonally and it carries out the teal turquoise color. So that's a neutral side if that's the way you want to go. And here's another navy one. I love how the navy and the coral go together. But we have more slender florals down here. This one's called the Warbling Trio. So we've got this little trio of birds right here sitting on the florals. And then the back side is another navy blue, but already's got some mixed media effect to it. And so you can carry that further with your own mixed media, you know, or just put your page and embellishments on there. This one's really pretty. It makes me think about spring, although tomorrow is supposed to be our first snow day down here. But this is a real pretty background. And then on this side, we've got birds and florals or stems, butterflies, and the same over here, but a little bit brighter palette. On the back, we've got another great mixed media, but neutral background. So it's really pretty, and that way you can go either bright or more neutral if you like. This one is called Cheerful Chatter, and I like on this one that it's got the outlined images, and then the rest of the page is more your regular printed images on some, like, you know, old journaling tabs. On the back of this, we've got another neutral side. And that would be really useful. You could turn it either direction, depending upon whatever kind of photo you wanted to use with that. This one is called Trilling Moments and just has a bird nest over here, butterflies, and birds appear more in that outlined effect. It's really interesting to look at. I really like that. And so I think you can just go, use your imagination and go any direction with that. On the back, we're very neutral, except we kind of have this hint of rainbows in the background. That's really neat. I like that a lot. So that'll be hard to choose which side to use. You know, some just hint of butterfly down there. Really like that. Now we have another coral page with a single bird on this one. It's called Sweet Notes. Really pretty, has this very layered effect already built up on the left-hand side. And then the back is a really pretty patterned green. It's very interesting, but I think it'll be really pretty to use in projects. And then this one is called Harmonious Symphony. So lots of pattern on this one, lots of, you know, leaves, birds, butterflies. So this would probably be good for accents, or you could use it as your background if you wanted to maybe use a black and white photo or something like that. It would be pretty in an off-the-page kind of project as well, you know, like if you're doing a little chest of drawers or a photo frame or something like that. And then on the back is kind of a chartreuse pattern. Really nice. This next one has a background that's again in the teal turquoise family. This is actually the back side of the intro to the collection pack. And so this one, they've just called it Happiest. And then this last piece is very chartreuse, or all light or olive green. It's called Chirps of Beauty. And so we've got a bird over here and a couple butterflies, and then the floral bushes in color, and then in white down here, and, you know, and then of course your faux mixed media in the background. So that would be almost, reminds me of the wreath pages that we see from 49 and Market, but it's more of a just right left And then the back of this one is a pinky coral print with, you know, little bitty florals, very cottagey feeling. So really pretty papers. So we've got the papers and the die cut, the stencil, of course the laser cuts. There's the front of that package. Chipboard, and then 102 pieces of ephemera, and then the 3 packages of florals. So this is going to be fun, and I can't wait to show you what I create with it. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.